Hello everyone, welcome to new lesson. In this tutorial we will learn how to draw this in AutoCAD 2020. First of all, we will create this diameter of 88. Type C on command bar for circle command, then enter. Give center point 0, 0, enter. Give diameter 88, then enter. The next is the center line circle of diameter 226. Then type C, enter. Give center point 0, 0, enter. Give diameter 226, enter. Then select this circle and convert into a center line. After that we will create this circle of radius 20. Type center mark, enter. Select the circle, enter. Type C, enter. Give center point here. Give radius 20, enter. Then select this circle and type the RR for array command. Enter. Select polar array. Give item 4. Enter. The next circle is radius 26. Type C, enter. Give center point here. Give radius 26, enter. Then select the circle and type array command, enter. Select polar array. Give item 4, enter. Then next is the circle of radius 55. Type C, enter. Give center point 0, 0, enter. Give radius 55, then enter. Then next is the distance of 20. Type OF for offset command. Give distance 10, enter. Select this line and offset both sides. Then type TR for trim, enter, and trim the extra line. Then select both line. Type AR, enter. Select polar. Give center point 0, 0, enter. Give item 4, enter. Then select TR, enter, and trim all this extra line. Then next is the circle of diameter 128. Type C, enter. Give center point 0, 0, enter. Give dia 128, enter. Then next is radius 40. Type fillet, enter. Give radius 40, enter. Type M for multiple, enter. Select this circle to this circle. Then trim and delete all the extra line. Then next is this tangent line. Type line, enter. Type TAN for tangency line. Then give the first point. Again type TAN, enter. Then give the next point. Then select this line. Type MI for mirror command, enter. Give first point and next point, enter. Object is created. Now we fill the gradient on this object according to this drawing. First of all, type GRA for gradient, enter. Select this gradient color according to this drawing. Select the gradient style. Then select the object and fill the gradient.